Hello, Mr. Cicada, or Miss Cicada. Okay guys, there is a cicada, and I don't know, again, you should be able to hear that high-pitched kind of hum in the distance. Let's see here. So there's my finger. You can see how big it is. See, he's got those really cool red eyes. And I wonder if I can make him... Oh, there we go. Whoop. Hello, Mr. Cicada. Hello. He says, leave me alone, buddy. Leave me alone. Well, there you go. So, I don't know if this is a male or a female or how it works exactly. I guess we could do some homework on this, but so I guess they're gonna lay their eggs in the dirt, and I think they lay the eggs around like the trees and stuff, and then they'll come out of the ground in 17 years and fly away and do their thing. Here's another one. They're very light. There's not many of them around, I think, because they blow away. Here's another shell. Oh. And there's a live one. So, hello. I'm the 17-year cicada. Okay, so here is the carcass or the shell of the cicada that's left behind after they crawl out of the ground up a tree and they emerge from that shell. So here we've got a tree. Why you blur it? There we go. Here we have a tree. There's the ground. So the cicada would have come out of the ground here and climbed up the tree up here to about 5.5 feet. And so here, when it crawls up the tree, it's still kind of like a beetle looking thing. And then, I don't know if you can see that, but that thing splits in half and that winged creature that you saw emerges. All right, boys, I'm in Maryland. It's 12:48 my time, and the 17-year cicada is in full swing, and I want you to hear the very distinct sound. Listen. You hear that? It sounds like a kind of like a high-pitched fan or something. Those are millions and millions of little bugs that have just emerged from the ground after 17 years of hibernation. So, pretty cool.